Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. So what you think is what you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine is what you create. Hey RealFam, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is Nthabi and this is Real Talk with Nthabi, a channel where you can expect everything empowerment and transformation, be it in your business or personal life or life in general. So yeah, that's what we're about here. Anyway, today we are making boss moves, okay? That's what we're talking about today, and I've got 6 strategies that are gonna help you strategize, find your way in making those boss moves, okay? So without a waste of time, let's get to the first one. So get ready to make those boss moves using these strategies. Strategy number 1, be intentional. When you're intentional, nothing will stand in your way of succeeding. Whatever that happens, whatever obstacles you come across, you will find a way to succeed. And I mean, think about it. Life happens. Things can just go a different direction as opposed to how you would have wanted it, right? But being intentional means that you will do whatever it takes against all odds. So be intentional. Don't give up on that vision. If people don't see that vision, understand that it's your vision, it's not theirs. So the sooner you realize that, you will remain intentional and work on your craft. All right. Point number 2, unlearn and relearn. So this is very interesting. We know that learning something is very exciting, and then when you learn something and apply it to your life and it's working, it's perfectly fine, it's the best feeling ever, right? And you can even attest and testify on all of that. I get it, it's all great, but there's a time where you need to now unlearn. And unlearning means that you understand that the model that's used to work cannot work at this point. So unlearning should be able to help you grow faster or grow more than you had, right? It doesn't mean that whatever that you had learned was actually wrong, but what it means is that it's time to adapt to new things. It's time for you to realize that things really change as time goes. Like people evolve, like apps upgrade. Like there's so many things that change in life. So if you can understand that what you used to know, chances are might not be the same later, might help you. All right. So I'll make an example. Something about me in my business, I used to have principles that used to work perfectly for my company, and I loved that and I continued with that until I started unlearning that and realizing that actually there are more things that I can learn and that can help better my way of doing business. And I can attest and say this, that I even got to have more clients and my business got to grow because I had to unlearn certain things and relearn. So it's not all bad. Having to unlearn is not all bad. Got it? Got it? Awesome. All right. So the third point is time management. Yes, this is one boss move that you really need to take into account. If you cannot manage your time, you cannot manage your life. And if you cannot manage your life, it means that nothing in your life will be in control, right? So it is important to know your time. Know how you plan things. Know how you structure your day. Because I'll make an example with me. Especially when I was still working in a corporate before I resigned and, started doing my business full time, there would be times where I just work the whole day. And when the day is done, I would feel like I really didn't do much. So I was failing to manage my time. I had to really learn how to manage my time. Your daily routine, waking up, whatever that you'll be doing, deciding on, okay, what do I do first thing in the morning? How do I work that out and make sure that it goes according to plan? And this other point is working hard instead of working smart. So sometimes we're thinking that working hard is the best thing and that's the only way. No, you have to work smart. A person who works 8 hours a day, working hard, doesn't mean that they are productive more than a person who's working maybe 4 hours. So be strategic about that. Think exactly what is your highest priority, what needs to be done. Set those tasks, and after setting them, give yourself timelines. And giving yourself timelines, you become accountable of what needs to be done and how it needs to be done, right? So that is important. You got it? Awesome. So point number 4, have a winning mindset. Having a winning mindset is very important because we know that in life, there are times where you wake up but you just don't feel like doing anything. You don't feel like even getting up, working and everything. But when you have a winning mindset, you will remember that. Even on the day that you just don't feel like doing anything or waking up or working for that matter, you will remember that I have a goal, I have a vision, I have a plan, I have a business that needs me. You will have that mindset and you will get up either way, right? You got that? I hope that you got that. Winning mindset, it also helps you to remain positive in all circumstances. When you're a positive person, everything around you remains positive. Even if you try to be attracted by negative energy, there's no way that you can attract that because you are positive and you have a winning mindset. All right, so try by all means to attract everything positive. Don't be a negative person. Don't have a losing mindset or a loser's mindset. If you do that, you're gonna struggle a lot in life. And of course, even if things are not going the way that you want them to go, don't tell yourself that I'm a loser, I'm a failure. Words like this are not really words for a mindset that is winning. A mindset that is winning sees beyond what's happening, sees the final product. So if you can have that mindset where you believe in yourself, you tell yourself that I am a winner, I am capable, I got this, then nothing will stand in your way. All right? I hope that you got that. So your health is your wealth. This is one of the most important strategies that you can apply in your life as a boss. All right? Those boss moves are not going to happen if your health is not in check. If you're not taking care of yourself, if you're not resting enough, if you're not physically looking after yourself, you're not exercising, your heart is not pumping well, you're not eating right, I promise you, you won't be able to apply any of the things that I've mentioned. As much as they're important, this one is highly, highly recommended. I, for one, got to actually be on that test where I almost got symptoms of stroke. I had symptoms of stroke because I was overworking myself, I wasn't managing my time right, and I was not really in control of my health. I was relying on energy drinks, snacking on just about anything, sweets, just to get energy. And all of that is the energy that is not really needed. It's not the best energy. It's not the natural energy that I would get from eating the right protein, the right food and all that. It was me just trying to survive. We're not about that anymore. Try by all means to take care of self before anything else. And rest, Buffett. Rest, rest, rest. Some people play with this word resting, but it is very important. Make sure that you sleep enough. Make sure that your brains get to rest so that when you wake up rejuvenated and ready to kickstart another day. So please do that for yourself. So the last strategy that I want you to use when you make those boss moves is moving in silence. Shh. Shh. Stop telling everyone your business. Stop telling everyone what you're gonna do, what you plan to do. Stop it. Move in silence. Moving in silence also helps you to strategize better. So when you tell the whole world about a project that you're gonna do, or whatever that you want to launch, whether you're writing a book, whether you opening a new business and all that. If you tell people right there and there, trust me, it can come back. It can backfire. Some people are out there to get you. Not everyone will be happy about your success. Not everyone will be happy about the plans that you have. So before you see that plan materialize, before you actually launch it and everything is ready and up and ready, before that happens, do not tell anyone. Or of course, you can have a circle of people that you can trust, that you can talk to. Other than that, keep shh. Keep your mouth shh. Keep your mask on, okay? Please try to do that. I mean, in that way, you will be able to even plan better, even when things are not going the way they were planned. Let's say, for example, you were announcing that I am launching a new book on the 13th of March, whatever. Come the 13th of March, that is not happening. And now you feel entitled to talk to people. You are stressed out because things didn't go your way, or you are pressurizing yourself to make sure that that happens on that date. And when it happens in a rush, you find that everything is just not on point. The quality is not great. Everything didn't come out right. Whatever it could be. So please stay in your lane. Shush. Learn to shush. Okay? Learn to shush. So that's all that I had for you today, Real Fam. Thank you so much for tuning in, and of course for subscribing. If you haven't, do subscribe and do like this video, comment, and tell me how you're making your boss moves right about now. Okay, thank you so much, and until the next video, you're welcome to watch more of my videos and yeah, binge in a little bit. Love you always. Mwah. I really feel the need to talk to someone right now. I'm so frustrated. I've been recording for my YouTube, recording a video. I've been moving from one room to another just to make sure that I don't get disturbed by the noise outside. I love kids, but the noise can be something else, especially when you need to get work done. My eyes are red, and this is all because I'm tired. But anyway, that is what we go through. So sometimes you look at our videos and feel like, hey, yeah, no, it's on point, or you don't watch it. Hey, we go through a lot, guys. Anyway, love you guys always. Just wanted to vent, that's all.